Hello everyone, welcome back to SQL. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to automate a simple login process using Python and Selenium. In previous tutorial, I will explain about the writing basic script in a Selenium. So let's begin. Create new file inside this project. Right click on this project folder, new, and then click on Python file. Enter the file name here, login, and then click on Python file. This is the login page. For automating this login page in a Selenium, first we need to navigate to this URL, enter username, password, and then click on submit button. So let's begin. I will explain in this tutorial step by step how you can automate this login page in a Selenium by using Python. First create a new file and then import Selenium WebDriver and copy this and paste here in a new file. Here I declare the WebDriver. You can use the Chrome Firefox as well. Here I use the Chrome driver. Next, we need to navigate to the URL. So use variable URL is equal to, enter the URL here, copy this URL and paste here. Next, we need to navigate to this URL, so we will use driver.get and enter this URL. After navigating to this URL, we need to enter the username, password, and then click on submit button. Here first I initialize the username underscore enter. First enter the username, which is student. Second, password is password123. Copy this username and paste here. Next, password underscore enter, and password is equal to password123, and then use this username is equal to driver. Here I use the driver. If you use the browser or any variable, then you need to define here driver dot find element by dot. Here you can view the multiple locators available in a Selenium: ID, link text, name, XPath, CSS selector, class name, partial link text, tag name. For locating this element, right click on this username field. Here you can view these two locators are available. One is name and second is ID. You can locate by name as well ID. So in this scenario, I use the ID. Copy this ID dot ID, select ID, and then enter the value username. Same for password. Correct this user name. Same for password. Use password is equal to after locating this element, we need to enter some value in a username field. So use this username dot send keys. By using send keys, you can enter any text in this field. Here I declare username is student, so I will use this text username underscore text, because here we pass username underscore enter is equal to student. Next, enter the password in the password field. Password is equal to driver dot find element by dot id, and then enter the id for password. Right click on this password field, copy this id which is password, and enter value here. After locating the password, this element, we need to enter the password in the password field. Password dot send keys, and password here, password underscore enter is equal to password 123. Copy this text and paste here. This is for navigating to the URL. Here I declare username underscore enter, pass here username and password, and then locate the element by ID for username. Next, locate for password, and then we need to click on the submit button. So right click on this submit button, and here you can view the ID is available, which is submit. I will use this ID driver dot find element by dot ID, and ID is equal to submit. Here use submit is equal to driver dot find element by ID, and enter the value. Next, we need to click on this button, so we will use click. Let's run this script. Change the value here, right click and then click on run login. In this scenario, first navigate to this URL and then enter the username and password, and then click on submit button. Here you can view the successfully login to the application. Next, we need to verify after enter the username and password whether the user is successfully logged in into the application. So we will use the assert. First login into this application, enter username, password, and then click on submit button. Here you can view the logout text. We will use this text to verify whether the user is successfully logged in. Right click on this logout. Here you can view the text is available, which is logout. First, we need to locate this element and then get text, and after getting this text, we need to compare this text for verify the successfully login into the application. Logout is equal to driver dot find element by dot. Here you can view the ID and name, both are not available, so we can locate this element by link text, and the link text is logout. Copy this text and use by dot link text, and then enter the value here, logout. Next, we need to get this text. Use logout underscore text is equal to logout dot text. Get the text, and the our expected text is equal to expected text. Here you can view expected text is logout. So use this text, expected text is logout. Use the assert for verifying the if the expected text and the get text by using the driver. If both are equal, then the test case will be passed. Otherwise, test case are failed. Logout underscore text is equal expected text. Expected text is logout. Let's run this script, login, and then click on run login. First navigate to this URL, enter the username, password, and then click on submit button. If we change the value here in expected text and run this test again, then the test case will be failed because the expected text and the driver get the text is not equal. That's it for today tutorial on login automation with Python. I hope you found it helpful and easy to understand. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to SQ World for more automation tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.